Everyone knows how to make jollof rice, but not everyone knows how to make party jollof. Let me teach you how to make that in a few minutes. So in a pot, you have to add in your fresh pepper, your shombo, and your scotch bonnet pepper, and you pre-cook that for some minutes. Then proceed to blend that. In another pot, add in your proteins and spice them very well. Everyone knows my spices already. It's thyme, curry, onions, seasoning cube, and salt. Those are the only ingredients I usually use. So I used one seasoning cube for this protein, and I also added lasso to it. Yes, don't cook your jollof rice without lasso. Lasso is one good ingredient you should never miss in your jollof. Then top that up with some water because you need the protein. You need the water from the protein for your food, Then if you are going to be frying it, make sure to scoop it out of the water and proceed to fry, as you can see me doing in the video. So frying is optional, but if you are going for party jollof taste, then you got to fry your protein, understand? Then in another pot, make sure to parboil your rice. Yes, so after parboiling that, you proceed to heat up some oil. Also use the oil from frying the protein. I like to spice my oil really well with the same ingredients that I usually use. Then onions is a must, of course. You proceed to stir that in, as you can see. Then add in the blended pepper mix from earlier on. Stir that in and also allow it to cook for some minutes until it is quite dried. Then you go in with your tomato paste. If you want to cook party jollof, then tomato paste is non-negotiable. Please go in with that. Then I fried that for about 15 minutes before I started going in with my seasoning, which consists of 2 seasoning cubes, salt, benny, and that's all. Then I proceeded to stir that in and also taste it to make sure that it is no longer slapping. Then you go in with the water from your seasoning cube. At this point, that is your meat stock. Turn that in very well and also cover it to cook for extra 7 minutes. Then proceed to start adding your rice in batches. Yes, always add some of this stuff in batches. Then make sure to turn it very well to combine. I have not added water at this point. It's just the tomato mix and it has chopped the rice. This is 5 cups of rice. Then I also added water later on because I don't want to cook with only tomato paste. At some point, I think 15 minutes in, I covered the rice with foil and the rice was done at this point. I proceeded to add in some leftover bell peppers that I had. Look at how juicy the rice looks. It looks so good. It's done at this point. Then one secret you should also take note of is that make sure that your rice gets a little bit burnt. It should get a little bit burnt underneath it. That will give it the party taste, that you are looking for, aside from the cooking process and all that. Then I plated that because I was going to refrigerate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.